or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're a new subscriber here, hi, my name is Anjani and thank you so much for clicking on this video and welcome to my channel. And if you're someone who hasn't already subscribed, I would really suggest you, if you just could take a moment and subscribe to my channel down below, I would really appreciate and it would really mean a lot to me. So today's video, if you haven't already read by the title, today I am going to be doing a very easy Navratri makeup look. Navratri is just around the corner, so I thought of doing and creating a look which you guys would get excited to try out if you are going to play Navratri or not, if you are just like me chilling at home and doing nothing basically on Navratri days. So today I am really excited because today I am going to be using this new palette as well. This is by Imagic. This is the Imagic 36 color eyeshadow palette. Haven't tried this palette out yet, so I'm really excited to try this out. This is the color ranges. So today we are going to be doing something black smoky-ish. That's what I have thought about. So I'm really excited and let's see how it goes, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so we will be doing this eye, which is a nice black smoky eye, because I wanted to do a smoky eye because we haven't done a smoky since a very long time. So perfect timing, Navratri smoky. Okay, so we will start off with this shade right over here first. It's a nice beige color with a fluffy brush. Basically you want to put this color on your crease as your transition shade, so whatever dark colors that you are applying, iske baad it's easy for the colors to blend away and it doesn't look harsh on your eyes, if it makes sense. So yeah, that's what we are doing. Moving on, taking my MAC 217 and I'm going to be taking this shade right over here, if I can show. This is like a nice dark brown shade. I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna pop this in my crease as well, just below the color that we applied earlier. So that was kind of a light color. This is more like a dark color. So if we put black iske upar, to thoda easy ho jata hai blend and it gives like a nice gradient effect, if that makes sense. So that's what we are going to be doing. So I'm just gonna put this color in my crease and I'm taking a little bit in my outer corner as well. Flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be picking up this black shade right over here very quickly, and I'm just gonna put this color all over my lids like this. You want to pat the color, you don't want to drag the color, you want to pat the color because sometimes black color kind of get messy. तो थोड़ा पहले color अपने eyelids पे ले, बाद में उसको blend करे, and if you feel you need more product, then you can just keep on adding the product. That's the key to a smoky eye. So I'm just gonna take my same MAC 217 brush and I'm just gonna start blending this color in. Again, one more thing is that if you want a nice perfect smoky eye, any color, not supposed to be black or anything, कोई भी हो, blue हो, purple हो, pink हो, कोई भी type की smoky eye हो, the key is to blend away and have patience in your life, because if you don't have patience, आपका स्मोकी आई नहीं लगेगा, पांडा आई ज़्यादा लगेगा. So the eyes are done for now. This is how they look and I'm really happy with how it has turned out. Now we will quickly move on to the face. I've already done my skincare, moisturizing and everything. So we will start off by using the MAC Stroke Cream, and this is in the shade Pink Light. So I'm just gonna take a very little amount, not too much. And I'm just gonna put this on the high points of my face, which is on my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, in between my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna blend this away. So it will just help you to give an extra lift when you apply your foundation and a glow from within kind of a look. Okay, so that's everything for primer. Next we will move on to my face. For that I'm going to be using the Dear Forever foundation, which is this one, and I'm also going to be following it out with a concealer. So I will quickly fast forward you the process because you guys have seen me doing my foundation very much, so that's what we are doing. So I'm just gonna So I clearly look like a ghost and I need some color on my face as soon as possible. So we will start off by bronzing our face using the Kiko Milano Waterflower Magic Bronzer in the shade 02 Natural Sienna. So I'm just going to take my angle brush very quickly and I'm just going to start bronzing and contouring my face. I'm not saying that you can do the whole Shazam when you are going to play Navratri, but if you're someone who just goes to watch and who is someone who just like to get ready for Navratri, you can do this makeup look. And if you are someone who wants to do this makeup look and play Navratri, no one's saying no to you. So yeah. Next for blush, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is in the shade 50. Again, one of my favorite blushes. For highlighter, next I'm going to be using this by K Beauty, and this is in the shade called Champagne Fizz. Again, one of my favorite highlighters. I'm just gonna pop this on my cheekbones very quickly, on the other cheekbone, in my nose, on my nose, on my forehead, and cupid's bow, and a little bit on my brow bone as well, just to highlight. I just realized that I've totally forgotten to put on mascara, so I'm just gonna put some mascara. This is by Maybelline. This is the Hyper Curl mascara. You can obviously add lashes if you prefer, but I really don't want to, because if you know me, I hate lashes. So I'm just gonna coat a lot of mascara. Next, just to enhance my eyes a little bit more, I'm gonna be taking the same highlighter that we used on our face, and I'm just gonna put this in my inner corners just for a little bit, nothing too much. So lastly, for lips, I'm going to be using this lipstick. This is by Lakme Absolute, and in the shade 304 Brazen Caramel, and this is a nice gorgeous brown shade. So I'm just going to put this all over my lips. And lastly, I'm just going to take my liner very quickly and draw a bindi, because no Indian look is complete without one. So I'm just going to Okay, so with that we come to an end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoy this makeup look and learn something from it. Talking about the palette, honestly, I would not suggest you getting your hands on this palette, because firstly the eyeshadows are a little bit of chalky, on a chalky side, and secondly the black eyeshadow would take me forever to build up. Agar मैं लगाती थी and blend करती थी, it would just go off, which is something I don't really like in an eyeshadow palette. But if you're someone who's just starting and if you want to play around and try a couple of looks, I would go for it. And if you're someone who's professional, I would really not suggest you, because there are a couple of very good palettes in under that budget, and which gives like 1,000 times better result. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the look as well. And if you do recreate it, don't forget to tag me on my social media handles listed in the description box below, and with all the products used also listed in the description box below for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye everyone.